the 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.